fighters are confused by the same experience. Their technique looks clean, it feels sharp, but the moment resistance appears, it collapses. This happens because the visual correctness is not the mechanical viability. Technique can look right while being structurally unsupported. Under no load, the shape survives. Under pressure, shape reveals the truth. Resistance introduces force into the system. That force must be managed. If joints are misaligned, if load paths are unclear, or if the base cannot absorb the pressure, the body compensates. Compensation is not an adaptation. It's a leakage disguised as effort. This is why technique that looks perfect in drills fail in live exchanges. The body was never trained to accept force through that shape. When the pressure arrives, the system scrambles. Muscles tense where they should have transmitted. Balance shifts too late, and power disperses. Clean-looking techniques often rely on isolated limb motion. Arms move independently of the base, hips rotate without support, the spine twists without being stacked. These errors are invisible until resistance pushes back. Then the collapse is immediate. Biomechanics exposes this directly. Structure must support motion. Force must travel through the predictable paths. When a joint falls outside of line, leverage dissolves. When sequencing breaks, power arrives empty. When balance is lost mid-action, recovery just disappears. This failure is not about toughness or conditioning. It's about organization. A body that cannot manage force internally will fail externally. Resistance doesn't cause failure. It reveals it. The solution is not more speed or sharper techniques. It's structural honesty. Understanding where force enters the body, how it travels, and where it exits. When these paths are clean, technique survives contact. When they're not, no amount of refinement saves it. This is why experienced fighters test technique under load early. They're not looking for correctness. They're looking for survivability. If the structure holds, the technique remains viable. If it collapses, the body is telling the truth. A clean technique fails under resistance because it was never built to carry force. Pressure doesn't punish, it clarifies it.